Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about Philips the Evnia 27M2N3501PA gaming monitor. So friend, Philips introduced the new Evnia 3000 gaming monitor series and the ideal choice for competitive gamers seeking a future pair at affordable monitor pricing. And this model a well-rounded solution with wide range of cutting-edge technologies include the all-new Philips Evnia Precision Center software, while everything from speed to precision to customization, and the Philips Evnia 27-inch monitor comes with quad HD resolution for sharp images and 95% of DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and HDR10 support for vivid and lifelike visual, and 240 Hz native refresh rate, overclock to 260 Hz for thrilling and fast-paced gameplay, and the 0.3 millisecond MPRT response time with Smart MBR for smooth and blur-free gameplay, and the adaptive sync for smooth and tear-free gameplay across a range of graphics cards, and the Evnia Precision software for next generation gaming customization, performance enhanced technology like Smart Crosshair, Smart Sniper to improve aiming accuracy, and design and packaging to meet high environmental standard. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.